In this video, we are going to solve a problem on assigning R and S configuration in Fisher projection. They have given glyceraldehyde as starting material. To that, they have added HCl. During the time, they get diastereomer X and Y. What will be the absolute configuration of chiral centers in X and Y? That is the question. First, let us try to understand the reaction. Cn minus attacks the aldehyde to give the cyanohydrine. Since it is sp2 hybridized carbon, the Cn can attack the rephase or psi phase of the carbonyl group. Because of that, you will get diastereomer. One diastereomer will be formed predominantly because of the chiral center that already presents in the molecule. So the product, whatever we get, will be like this. I have not disturbed this chiral center. It is same as the starting material. Here I have attacked cyanide this side. The another one, if the chiral center of this carbon is R, then this will be S. So you need not try to find out the configuration of this. In order to solve this, you should know how to give numbering for this molecule. Whether the numbering will start from this carbon or from Cn carbon. Second one, you should know to assign RS configuration for Fisher projection. First, let us go for numbering the carbon. Let us take this compound like this. The same compound can be written like this. If you rotate by 180 degree, you will get this compound. Now, what about numbering? Whether I have to start from here like this or the reverse. Which one will get higher priority or higher numbering? In Fisher projection, generally we represent the carbon with higher oxidation state on the top. The numbering should start from Cn, not from CH2OH. So that is basic concept. Compared to CH2OH, that is alcohol, Cn will get higher priority. So this numbering is correct. This one is wrong. Now, what about this chiral center? I am not going to bother this one. I am going for this chiral center. The higher priority will be given for OH. Second one I will give here because the next carbon, in both cases it is carbon. After that, on the top I have O and Cn, but here it is O and H. So this should get higher priority. Third one is this. So basically what I get is, yes, since the least priority, it is in the horizontal line, I have to invert that. So that is, this will be R. So 3 will be R, 2 will be S in 1 and R in another one. So this is one diastereomer, this is the other diastereomer. In both diastereomer, this chiral center is same. On the second carbon, it just got reversed. So that particular option has been given as the first one. You can see 2 or 3 are one and 2s 3 are the another one. So 3 or it should be here, it has been changed, so that is not possible. Similarly here it has been changed, this also is not possible. In this case the configuration of second carbon, it is same, so that is not possible, it should be opposite. So this also is not possible. The first option is the correct one.